Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1971 Olds 442. Gorgeous car with a big tire on it. You don't really see these built, huh?
No, definitely not a 442.
Very rare. A lot of custom parts on this car. So tell us a little about it.
I built it about 3-4 years ago.
Okay.
It's got maybe 400 miles on the car. Just never really used it.
Yeah.
It's basically a track car that I've used just around town.
Yeah.
You know, it's never seen the track. It's nothing like that at all.
Yeah, sure. Well, it looks sinister, man. Hence the plate. Killer paint. It's a one-off black cherry. What do they call it?
It's actually Brandywine.
Brandywine. By House of Color, then.
Yeah.
A lot of metallic in it. Chromed or black powder coated all the chrome bits on it. The bumpers, the door handles, everything. Sitting on American Racing, Weld Racing forged wheels. They're the new style, 5 spokes. Big tire on the back, man. Whew. What size is that? 33 by 18 and a half. Strains axles. They look like they're 50 spline, is that what it says on it?
Yeah.
Digitail taillights. Are they sequential also?
Yes.
LED sequential? Very cool. Man, this paint is just gleaming, bro. So what's under the hood?
598.
Whew. Let's check it out. Custom fiberglass hood. This looks like a 6-inch cowl.
Yes.
Custom made. Wow, all your trim is all blacked out too.
Yeah, that was all out. Powder coated.
Wow. Custom rearview mirrors. Hydro dip valve covers. Smooth firewall. Monster radiator with dual fans. What kind of horse?
834, 743 pounds of torque.
Wow. Obviously dyno tuned.
Yeah.
Tubular uppers and lowers. Wilwood disc brakes all the way around. These are cross drilled. Edelbrock high-rise manifold. Dual feed 1150 Holley.
Yes.
Wilwood master. Those are custom hooker headers. Whew. Those were a pretty penny, huh?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Is this radiator custom made too, or you're able to buy that?
No, it's a Derale radiator.
Derale?
High output fans.
Yeah, those are badass fans. Moroso Catch Can. Man, you got a lot of money in this car. No joke. So, the Glass Tech built the hood? Because they don't make a hood like this,
No,
right?
not for this car.
So you have to have it custom made. Custom headlamps, got a halo around it. Super unique car. Inside you got the buckets, custom gauges, they light up blue. Looks like a Hurst quarter stick. Manual valve body.
Yes.
Turbo 350 with a big stall, I guess, right?
Yeah.
3500.
I think it's 32.
32. Automator gauges. Custom carbon fiber on the door panels. Also matches the instrument panel bezel. Very nice setup. We've got switches, ignition, and everything else. custom interior LED lighting. Can you fire it up?
Yep.